Subscribe to our channel for more amazing top 10 stuffs. Top low means top 10.
This is the speed key. Put it in here. Going up. This is the most important button in the Vanquish S. Right here. Sports on. So there's one feature that has really surprised me about this car, and that's the speed. I'm going to put it in sport here. Let's see if I can show you just how fast this is. It's said to be the fastest SUV in the world. Let's go.
Controls the color of the headlights.
Okay guys, here we have an M4 with an Armatrix exhaust. You can activate it on. Alright. Wow. You can activate it on. Alright. Guys, look at this bowl of keys. I gotta try and find the key, not the on, not these, to the 458 Speciale Aperta. This car is worth $1 million, and that's why it's in a bubble. Let's get it out. Let's put that over here. Table of keys here. McLaren, Lamborghini, we've got a few Rolls Royces, Bentley, and the Bugatti key. Gotta take the Bugatti, let's go. The Blue Army. two Ferrari keys, one to the LaFerrari, the other one to the LaFerrari Aperta. This car has just been delivered, just yesterday. It's only been driven a couple of kilometres. Alright. Ready? This is a cold start. Okay, we're gonna go for a drive. Can't wipe the smile off my face. Let's go for a spin. Look at this beauty. All right. See you later. All right, check this out. I've got all my essentials here. McLaren key, handbag, ready to go. This is the new Lagonda concept. Check out this interior. It's coming in 2021.
Subscribe to our channel for more amazing top 10 stuffs. Top low means top 10.